So Leslie and I have different styles of entertaining for sure, but there's one thing we both agree on. Have your table set, look like you're ready, even if you're not. In my case, because I tend to be the one that wings it at the end, I'm not quite as organized as Leslie, but I do make sure the table is set. That way I feel in control. What do you think, Les?
I think it's right. And the table is one of the most fun parts. To set it up and be a little creative, it makes me feel, really puts me in the mood. And I generally set my table, unless it's outside, sometimes a day or two in advance. So I'm never really ready.
I'm never that ready, but, and I think people enjoy a beautiful table. It's part of the experience.
Yes.
So put the little extra effort in, and if you have fresh flowers, go for that. Don't do the store-bought. Take out your pictures. Just make it casual. If you don't have 12 perfect settings, fine. Just
mix and match. It's wonderful. You've bought many herbs for your cooking, and you can wash them, and dry them, and put them in vases, and it's always a wonderful addition to your table.
Exactly. They can garnish their own food from what you put on the table. But let's talk a little bit about menu. What do you think when you have a big group? What really works best?
Oh, it's a challenge. Well, of course, a barbecue always works.
Yum.
So you can marinate your meat, and you would have two mains.
Absolutely. Marination also makes your food great, so why not? The other thing about the barbecue is you get the men out of the kitchen. You don't have somebody underfoot, so you have a little bit more freedom to move. And I don't know about you, but my kitchen's always full of people because I'm last minute Charmaine and I can't get them to go outside. Even if I put out the most fabulous hors d'oeuvres, they're going to stay in my kitchen. Just how it is.
Right. So you have to plan ahead and pick your side dishes, your variety of salads, a vegetable dish, a pasta dish.
And again, if your friend says, "Can I bring a salad?" and you have a huge group, say yes.
Or the dessert. It's wonderful to have people bring a dessert, and generally they like to participate in the festivities by bringing
I personally hate to go to a party without something.
And that's why I love having you over.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you'll notice that there are no glasses on the table, and that's because we have a wonderful bar set up, and everybody can bring what they want to the dinner table with them.
Sometimes I do a big rum punch, or I'll do a kind of a welcome drink, and then I will offer the drink, or I'll have somebody offer the drink, but after that they're pretty much on their own. If in real estate the key is location, 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 in hosting it's preparation, preparation, preparation. Right, Leslie?
That's it. Do all your chopping up the day before so you can enjoy your guests.
Absolutely. You want to be able to enjoy your guests. I'm Charmaine Lord.
And I'm Leslie.
And it's time we dish up and entertain the crowds.